idea.
Today, guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to have my 4 friends into this Discord. Star, Awful, Cheerful Eagle. Make sure but everyone, but guys, this is going to be the group. If you want to join the group, you can friend me, guys. But we're gonna go ahead and beat all of the maps in Animal Company. And this is going to be literally insane because we have my friend Star. You good, bro?
Here. I swam under, so that's why it took me kind of long. I swam under.
All right, guys, let's go. Whoa.
Mom, I need a battery pack, please. We're going into the deep, dark mines. Very spooky.
Let's go, guys.
I got run. Hello. Wait.
He already got me. He already hit me. Kill him, guys.
Guys, come on. This is
Can you not scream, please? That hurt.
All right, let's go.
I'm getting yeeted around, and that's kind of good. I can hit the car.
I need a battery pack, Mom.
I'm getting yeeted around. Bro, I'm getting yeeted around. Oh,
Guys.
Yo. I am him.
Guys.
I am floating around.
Dude.
Where did you go?
I'm right here.
Come on.
Just go. He's dead. He left.
Okay, let's go.
What?
Where are you? I'm scared.
Someone kill him.
Shoot him with the shotgun, dude. What are you doing?
I need help. No, these are not dead.
I don't have any ammo.
I'm right here. Now I'm 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 here.
All right, guys, follow me. This is the easy way. This is the easy way, guys.
Oh,
Boom.
Mom.
Boom.
Mom.
Boom.
Somebody give me a battery pack, bro.
no way.
No! That was, you have to wait for the rest of the night, dude. Guess we had to do the job. Guess we had to do the job, okay?
I hate going ghosty.
Okay.
I'm a ghost. I've never been. But yeah, well, mimic. I can see everywhere. I can see because I'm a ghost.
Guys, come on.
It's really funny to play as a ghost. To just follow your friends as a ghost in Animal Company. I'm a ghost in water.
You're ghosted in water?
I'm fully.
Bro, I don't want to go through this.
You have to be more in credit card debt.
Oh, you almost died back there. What do I do?
I don't know.
Why would you?
pretty good, dude. Alright, let's actually beat it. Let's actually beat it.
I don't
This
know
time
how
we're gonna
to
go
beat this
do something stupid, but I'm gonna challenge myself.
I
Oh
don't
my
wanna
goodness, they're
die.
fast.
Actually, just kill me. I don't want to die. I don't want to be here by myself.
Alright, now we're slow. We're gonna slow.
Please don't die. I don't like dying by myself, or else I won't have to leave this game.
Where did you go? Hey, Dick! Yo, where did you go? Okay, so it... Oh, like credit card.
Did you die?
Yes, he did die. We did die. We did not. We did. What are you...
Don't worry, guys. I'll get this for you. I will be coming out of the shop pipe. Just wait for me.
Wait, how do you complete it? You just ditched me in the dust. That's...
He's here.
Yo, what's up?
Put this thing up. You. He looks so damn cool.
What the fudge? You put it on his freaking yacht, dude. Okay.
Oh, shoot! Oh! You know what? You know what?
Dude, this was out of your butthole. This was out of your butthole. It's in your butt. It's in your butt. It was in your butthole. It was in your freaking anus, dude. Freaking idiot.
You ditched me.
Sorry, dude. Alright, let's go to
died with a
round.
monster.
Alright, guys, we're gonna go ahead and go to round 2, guys.
What the freak do you want? I have to go. No.
You have to go.
Yeah.
What about last round?
No. Someone's gonna kill me as well. Oh, better.
Where did
You better shut up. I put them on you.
Oh yeah, give me the cheese.
Hey, bro. Wait,
let's
there's
go,
something on your butt. There's something on your butt. There's something on your butt. There's something on your butt. Let me get it for you. Let me get it. It's somewhere in there.
Wait, let me just grab it.
I have to go.
All right, but
I'm gonna get-
black.
No. Come here. Ah! He's a pony. My little pony. Man, we're just passing bombs around like it's nothing. Well, let's pass the bomb.
Pass the bomb.
Oh shoot!
You died. Alright. Pass the bomb.
Well, we have one more. Oh shit! I'm cooked. Alright, stop. No. No, stop. No, actually. I shall do this to one of you! Alright, I'm done. I'm leaving.
I have to go, bye.
I'm done.
No, 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 no. Please don't leave. Please don't leave.
No, I'm done.
Okay. When
Bye
you
now.
guys are online, wait. Make sure join me, okay? Make sure join me
Fine, I'll join you.
when I'm like back.
But
Okay?
we're only doing one more run. One more.
One more run.
One more. Yes.
Yes.
But my VR is at like, oh, we can do like 2 runs. We can do like 2. We can do 2.
All right, let's go. Let's bet for it.
Yeah, come on. All right, come on. How about we go in the water this time? It's a lot quicker. It's a lot quicker.
The water.
What's a grappler? Yeah, in the water, it's a lot quicker. You can also use your grappler too. So that's actually a lot quicker.
Wait, make sure you have to get a light. Make sure you get a light. Make sure you get a light.
What do you mean?
Because the monster's afraid of light.
Then get some.
Alright, good. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hi. Use your grappler. That's like the fastest way. Yeah. There we go. This is the way I went. This is the way I went. Absolutely. It takes kind of long at first, but when you get good at it, it doesn't take as long.
Alright, get your Wait. You need to get this. Put this in your holster.
I don't have a.
Wait.
Sorry, but I don't have a hit slot. I don't have a hit slot. I don't.
Oh.
I don't have a hit slot.
Oh. Gosh!
The owner of that's where.
Are you here yet?
Yeah. Where are you? Black? Where are you, Black? Oh, there you are.
I was like, ah! Bro, I'm sorry, but you need to ditch that other one. Oh no, we already have one. No. that one's gone. You're gone. Waba? Oh, nice. A gold coin. We forgot to get bats. We forgot to get bats. We forgot to get bats. While you're on this. And now I'm going back. Oh, chill. Yo, I don't like this. Come on.
No, 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 no. This is the way. This is the way.
Or the same way technically. Same way technically. Yuck!
Now it's your turn because my one I am a low.
Alright, I got you.
All right, let me locate the spider.
Oh shit! I don't like this at all. Yo, he's super red. He is super red. Get back on it! That's why I told you to put it on your back. To put it on your back. It's not that red anymore. I don't know. He's not that red anymore. I got him. What the freak are you doing? Oh, shoot. Get that like that right now. Get it back, what are you? Oh. Bro, I was like, no. No, I swear.
Kill him. Kill him. All right, let's go.
Yo, I'm still at green.
Okay.
I hear it. It's over here. It's over here. Over here. Yes!
All right, wait, hold on. All right, follow me.
Wait, I'm following you. No, I'm not doing that.
Oh, there he is.
I'm here. Hold up, I need to drop my hook shot for a second. My hands are sweaty as heck right now. Alright, done.
All right, ignore
Oh,
the
I saw it. No, I literally have night vision. I saw it. It's over here. I saw it. I have night vision. It's over here. I said. I have night vision. I'm a wizard. I'm a what? A wizard. Hey, bro, wanna see something funny? No.
Stop doing that.
Alright, I'll stop. Alright, come on, just come on. Nope. I almost just risked my life. Come on, all this you get. Bro, why did I sound like a monkey? I was like, come on, bro, come on. Be careful.
Don't touch this, okay? There's another way that. You're getting hit, dude.
Wait, I'm sorry.
Okay.
It was just funny. I won't do it anymore. Come on. What the freak? No, that scared me so bad. Don't dare. Yo, that scared me so bad. That got me good. That got me good. Hi, I'm right here if you want me. Cause I'm your mama. I'm your sugar mama. Don't you dare. I will do it myself.
All right, hold on. Do not. I will kick you, dude. Oh, wow, great. You have one chance.
Oh, shoot. Hold up, let me just do this. I didn't even touch it. I did not even touch that. Yeah, bro, does that look like touching it?
You know what? I'll take me alert you.
Yo.
I don't like that. I don't like that. That is actually creepy. I like it. What are you doing? Oh my god. No, please. No! Oh my gosh. It is right there. What? No, no, no.
Wait, hold on.
What are you doing?
Never mind.
Bro.
No, never mind. You do that one more time.
Come on. Come on! Yo, why the flip are you doing that?
Because you were doing that. That's the same.
Oh,
Wait, hold on. That actually got me. Wait, hold on.
I'm gonna. Oh shoot! Nope. Get me away from that. Alright, come on.
Alright. Wait, there's another way. Dude, there's another way.
There's another one? No, don't. No, you're not. Why would you? That you did.
Sorry, my.
Yeah, to me.
Sorry, I
to
was
you.
muted, dude.
Hey, revenge, okay? It's karma.
Okay.
That's what karma does.
Okay.
Ow. Be careful. Easy, right? Alright, fine. No, how about we don't do it? Alright, come on. Just don't splash. If you come near you, don't be scared.
What?
Don't you dare.
I'm a boy.
Alright, come on. No. Yeah, get me up here. I don't like this way at all. No. I don't like this way at all. Bro, do you seriously have to do this way? I don't want to.
Why would you do that?
Bro, where are you? Where are you, bro?
Why would you do that? No. I'm dead as well. I'm dead as well. Get shredded.
Hey, I just felt the urge to laugh. Don't blame me. Blame my mind. Blame. What are they doing up there? What are they doing up there? I'm joining them. I don't care. I'm joining them.
Yo, what are you doing?
Don't tell me these are my friends. I swear to God that they are. Good, they're not my friends. And I guess they're your friends. I just joined. Hey, bro, wanna see like cool? I'm invincible. I'm invincible. Oh, friendly fire's off. That's why.
So, guys, that's going to be the end of the video, guys. We are going to go ahead and end
No.
it there.
No.
What?
No. We're gonna do one more run.
Okay,
Let's
one
not
more
hold
run.
ukulele. Let's not hold ukulele.
Oh my gosh. What the freak? And this time we're gonna get RPGs, alright? Alright?
No, we're
We
not
need
using
RPGs this time.
RPGs. That's going to
Yes,
be...
we are! Please,
we're
can we
not.
use RPGs?
Hell
Please?
no, dude.
Why not? Are they too much mass destruction?
Alright, but
need
if
a
you
grappler.
die, I'm not reviving you, okay?
I need a grappler. Bro, they're going dead. How much money were you at right now?
Like a 1 million?
Oh yeah, you were not in credit card debt yet. He's still like a little more. Who's in credit card debt? I swear to God.
Okay. That guys, that's going to be the end of the video because oh my freaking, that's going to be the end of the video, guys, because my battery headset is low, but we will do a part 2. Make sure friend my friends. But we're going to go ahead and I will see you guys. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.